going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alright guys, so in this video it's going to be probably a quick fast video. Basically I'm going to try and fill in all this bare spot I have going on right here. As you can see, for the most part the grass filled in pretty nice. It's looking really good, but there's a couple spots that are still bare, so I'm going to try to go ahead and try to fix those by putting some more seed on it, and hopefully it'll get established before it gets too cold in the winter time. But I think we should have enough time to get it well established. Well, at least I hope so. So I'm gonna give it a go. But before that, the first thing I'm gonna do is cut this grass. Alright guys, so here's the lawn, freshly mowed. Looks really good. But like I said, my goal today is to fill any little bare spots as best as I could. And I'm actually going to be using a new tool today, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. But I just want to mention real quick that I'm assuming the reason why these little areas are bare is because I didn't do a very good job of loosening up the dirt in those areas. So what ended up happening, I have a lot of runoff. So the seed wasn't able to germinate correctly. Instead, when the water hit it, it just ran right off and washed that seed away. So I actually purchased this tool right here, which is basically a little like a little manual tiller, or like an aerator, I guess you can say, or a cultivator. And actually saw this tool used by Pete out from GCI Turf. I saw him use it a couple of times in his yard, so I decided, well, let me try it out and hopefully it'll fill in some bare spots for me. And basically the way it works, it's just like a regular tiller. You're gonna go over the soil a couple times, just like that. And then you see how I loosened up the soil really nice for me. So then after that, what you're gonna do, we're gonna throw that seed on top of there. And then instead of covering it, what he does is just goes right over it and buries that seed in there. And hopefully it'll germinate. So I'm gonna give it a go, guys, and I'll show you the finished product. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here it's the soil after I loosened it up with the tool. And honestly guys, so far I really enjoy this tool actually. And I really wish I would have used this when I first laid down the seed, but fortunately I didn't. So, but now I know that this tool is good for that. Alright guys, so the next step we're going to do is, now that the soil is nice and loose, we're going to go ahead and throw the seed on top. I'm not going to use a spreader, I'm just going to throw everything by hand for right now. But you can use a spreader if you like, it's up to you. I'm just going to throw it by hand. Cover this area really good. So then after that, the next step we're gonna do, so we're just gonna go lightly over it with a tool again, and it's gonna bury it in the soil. Alright guys, so there it is. And like I said, so far, this tool is pretty cool. I actually really enjoy it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same steps for the rest of the bare spots. And then I'll come back in about maybe 2 weeks or so and see how it's doing from there. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish up. And then we'll be done for today. Alright guys, so we're all done. I got most of the bare spots that I could, because unfortunately I did run out of seed. But I did get the main area that I wanted to get, which is over there and up here. I think the only area that I didn't get was right here. You need to keep an eye for this guy, because he has no respect. But anyway guys, I did get most of it, so I'm going to keep it like that until the end of the year. And I think when spring comes around, I'm probably going to purchase some more seed from Ryan Knorr, the website. I'm going to go ahead and overseed this all over again so we can get nice and thick and more lush. But yeah guys, I'll probably make a quick update video maybe in about, I'm assuming about 2 weeks or so. I'm hoping to get some establishment. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. And that's going to be it for today's videos, guys. Thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.